Alright, it's like 10 o'clock, but there's a lot of lightning I can see out of my window. Oh, that was bright. Whoa, that looks cool over there. You can see it. Oh, okay, hold up. It's like, I don't know if you can really see my hand. I can brighten this in post, but I think Lightroom I can, especially on a multi-layer, but I don't know if you can see the actual, like that. I don't know if you can see that, because it's pretty cool. I wish I could zoom out farther. No, copyright music. Oh, I'm in pants. That tree is in the way. I'd totally climb it. Whoa, Jesus, that was blinding. I think this gets better. This has a better exposure than the wide angle, but I'm not getting all of it. Like, sometimes it's over here. I can't tell if I'm getting the bolts or not on here. Like, it's not raining yet. It will be in a minute. But I think it will be in a minute at least. I can't see any of the bolts anymore. I saw a couple and then now they're all gone. But it's all out there on the horizon. My normal wide angle, my non-super wide, and my non-zoom is the best exposure right now. But see, and then I'm not looking. Here's the rain. Whoa, that looked cool on the camera, I think. It's like, but it's 10 o'clock. I got school tomorrow. So I'd lay down if the grass wasn't wet, but because I'm very tired. I've had a very busy day. So it's kind of this whole portion of the like sky right now. I bet that looked cool. I wasn't looking at the camera, but it did pick it up. Oh, that one was like right over there. I want to learn how to like take good pictures of lightning, but we don't get lightning enough around here. Like specifically the house, like my house. is in a bad spot for it geographically, I think. Even though I live at the top of a hill. Wonder, that was like, you could see chunks of it, but not all. This might totally fail, and like you might not be able to see any of this on the camera. Like obviously you'll see the flashes, but like the lightning itself, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I also, the video I uploaded yesterday is probably really quiet because I normally have to triple the volume. Like I typically triple it to get to a good level. It's usually too quiet. I posted a video yesterday that I still haven't managed to sort out what the problem is moving these without like, I can't even get it to convert without crashing. Like I can view these on what's it called, like VLC or whatever. I think that's what it's called, the little cone. But like I can watch these on there on my computer, but I can't edit them or convert them. If I try to convert or like reformat it, it crashes the computer. Like it crashes the File Explorer and stuff, like the File Explorer app and the GPU and stuff. And it's weird and I don't get it at all. Like it doesn't, I don't get it. I can't find anything about anyone having the same problem other than like one article that says it's the Samsung security patch. Wonder how that looked. That looked cool in real life. Whoa, that's a lot. That was all around, like full circle around me. I'm gonna get struck by lightning. That'd be pretty cool. And it would probably hurt pretty bad. Or feel weird, at least. I may or may not have accidentally stuck a screwdriver in my computer and zapped myself once. And that felt weird. And also, I got like half struck by lightning at a park once. I was underneath the very big tall sign, like parked a few parking spots from it. So I was like 15 feet away and I was standing in a puddle and the sign got struck by lightning and it felt weird, but not like, I didn't get hurt. It just felt like one of the like shock lighters, but that was a pretty weird experience. But when I stuck the screwdriver in my computer, well, it wasn't an accident. I did it on purpose, but I accidentally bumped the metal, like the hot part of the metal, and it made me like get like adrenaline or something. Like I didn't really feel anything. It just like sparked and then my heart was like going crazy. So I think it was just adrenaline. Like I didn't feel anything in my body. I think it just scared my brain, and then my brain was like, uh-oh, adrenaline time. Jeez, it's late. I'm like, I've had like no chill time today. I've had a very stressful day. The flicker, the rolling shutter in the lightning is crazy. Like I see it like move down the screen a little bit. It doesn't all flash in one spot. And it's not exactly roll, like it doesn't exactly roll, but it doesn't exactly just go straight down the screen either. It kind of goes in a circle. But I should probably try to format the videos on my phone first. I wonder if I render them through Lightroom or something into an Adobe format and then put that on my computer, if that would work. I don't know how long this storm is gonna last. I do eventually have to go to bed or whatever, because I have school for like this. Tomorrow's gonna be great. I got a test, a nothing bell, then a test, then a band bell, then a nothing bell, then a band bell, which is actually gonna be a nothing bell, then a nothing bell, then a nothing bell. Because stuff happened and some of the exams my math exam got canceled. But I'm not gonna go into that. That one was over there. I think it's all kind of. I'm gonna go out here a little more so I can see a bit past these trees more, because it's moving. But see, this is what always happens. The storms go this way, but past our house. Unless it's a tornado, because then it usually rips up yards over here in this area, which is not fun. The storms always go south and north of here. The tornadoes hit here specifically, and then like a town a little bit that way. Lightning, 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 flash, so you can see my hand. This direction got like destroyed in a tornado a few years ago, but the same tornado that ripped our roof up and destroyed every tree in our yard. But I think it was actually two tornadoes that just went in the... Ours was first, and then this one stopped, and then in a straight line from this one, another one formed, apparently. Like, out of the... I don't know, it was all in a perfectly straight line. But, like, the tornado that hit our house, like, went away and then turned back into another one that ripped up that town. But, I don't know, I think that's happened there a couple times to the town, so I think they're in like a bad spot. I'm gonna get hit by a car. Uh-oh. There was lightning behind me. Still no rain. But yeah, I really gotta figure out what the deal is with my computer, because I am getting really sick of it. I want... Give me working stuff, Microsoft. I'm gonna sue you for my $1 back. My $1.06 I had to spend because I'm not a pirate. I did not pirate the codec I need. I bought it legitimately for $1. 99 cents, which they taxed as $1. I don't think they're allowed to do that. They charge me 100 cents worth of sales tax. They put 7 cents extra on, they put 7% of 99 cents being they put 7 cents on as 7% of 99, and that's not true. They as far as I'm aware, they don't normally tax under the dollar. You tax the dollar amount, But either way, that should have been 6 cents, not 7. It should have been $1.05 if they taxed the 99 cents correctly. But they like rounded up and probably kept the change. They probably kept that extra cent. They're lying. Microsoft. I don't care. I'm gonna lay down in the grass. It's wet. It rained. I don't really care. Where's my hood? My legs are in the way. I could totally go to sleep. No, I couldn't. I'm not tired enough for that. Something happened. Can a siren go off somewhere? I can see myself breathing in the camera. I rotated like 30 degrees when I sneezed both times. So now I'm facing the other way. I gotta be careful I don't get hit. I just wonder where cars will be here soon. Try to listen for it and then move before I get hit. Yeah, wide angle doesn't do a good job of capturing stuff like the flashes. At least laying down, I'm not going to get struck by lightning. Alright, I think it's kind of gone. Yeah. It's away from here now. If it comes back over here, I might come back out, but it's like probably 10:20. Oh, it's only 10:10. I guess I came out 10 minutes before 10 o'clock. Is that more over there? It is. Oh, great. Wave 2. I feel like these cars are gonna like hating me. They're like seeing me recording and they're... Is it actually lightning over there, or is that just a thin spot in the clouds? It ruined my exposure. That's not good. That tree made a bendy noise. That tree is making a bendy noise. Laying on wet grass is pretty cool. I would recommend laying on damp, dew-covered grass. Why is that car going so slow? Oh shoot, I got struck by lightning. I wonder how that looks with the camera, if I shake the camera like that. Like, I wonder how well it stabilizes. Because it's really stable this way. The wide angle lens is not super stable, but the stabilizing of the The normal and the zoom are great. Oh. Okay, and you can't see this crap. And I think it's starting to rain, but look. That is from the laying in the grass. My hand is covered in dirt now. Ooh, rain hit my nose. I gotta decide too if it's right to stay out here or in the field. But it seems that the storm is coming from this direction, going this way. So I will stay out here because this is the storm. Alright, I'm getting like, this is pretty heavy rain. So it's heavy drops. It's not heavy yet, but very big drops. So it will be crazy in a minute. This is possibly hail. Hold on. I can't see it, but it's big enough to be hail. Yeah, look at it. If that did worse, whatever. This rain is heavy. It's like the big, you can see it in the light over there, the big flashy, or big splashy drops. Okay, let me go up on the porch. The rain is crazy all of a sudden though. Like 2 minutes, and it's also the temperature's going down and the rain is cold. It's very cold rain. But it's big rain. Do we still have a... Yeah, we still have our address. Alright, I'm gonna have to possibly watch this. Look at the spray. That's pretty far. It's all the way up to here. Look at that. It was like splashy over here and it's like covered now. Yeah, that's like getting on my legs from anywhere other than this corner. It's pushing me back. The wind is blowing harder and pushing me into this probably spider-filled corner that I shouldn't back into. Roll up the pants. My legs aren't there, but the problem is it's getting the normal parts of my pants wet too. Oh, that's a lot of water. Jeez, this rain is freezing. It's big. But it's, note my legs are cold, the temperature's dropping a lot. Ooh, jeez. Okay, I might make a run for the back porch, so it'll be drier. So no license plate keeping. It's like World War One out here. No, it's. Jeez, a big drop hit my home button and opened the Google Assistant. Man, this sucks back here. It's not raining. The porch is doing its job well. Because the wind is blowing it this way. This isn't as good. Oh, I'm running out of memory on here too. Oh, and this is the second part, so I'm gonna have to edit this. This sucks. I'm gonna figure it out. No peeping at the license plate. Oh, I always forget, and then the camera arm gets soaked because I don't. This is not the camera arm half the time. This is only the 50%. I use both equally. I think. But I'll be holding it, like holding up like this, and the water goes down the sleeve. I bet my dog is freaking out. Oh, that was a lot of rain. You can't see it, but my boost, no, it doesn't do anything. That's another thing. Oh, I'm gonna have to edit this, yeah, because I'm mailbox. The little irrigation canal. Whoa. Look way down there, if you can see that sign that's flashing. That's a sign blowing back and forth like really fast. Okay. But our, can't see crap. Our little, you can see my hand sparkly, our irrigation canal right there. Filled up. Or whatever, I think that's what that's called, like technically. I love this hydrophobic screen. The rain is like button click heavy. Like it's like heavy enough to click on stuff. The biggest problem with rain like this is not that it's like I'm dry, but it pulls all the heat out of your body. My legs aren't dry. Big lightning over here now. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like, man, it's like 10:15 now. I'll come back out if it gets bad. But for now, that's it for a little bit.